Check it out, boys. Yeswelder sent me a welder to review. MIG-205DS Pro. I've heard a lot of good things about it, so let's do a cheesy review on it. This is the Yeswelder 205DS Pro. It's a multi-processing welder. It comes with 10 foot of everything. 10-foot MIG gun with hose, a liner, graphene so you can do aluminum welding if you want to run it through that 10-foot hose. Some tips. 10 foot of argon hose, 10 foot of ground, 10 foot of stinger, and it's no joke. It's like, that's some thick. The only thing that's not 10 feet is the power cord. That's 5 feet. Comes with rollers. Comes with the K, the V, and the U rollers. It does have the 240 to 110 adapter. If you catch it right, you can get a welding helmet, welding wire, and Yeswelder gloves. The LYG-Q800D welding helmet. I like that they have a soft cover for these. I always end up keeping a little plastic piece. Oh, look at that. Protective shield on there. And it comes with a couple extra. I've never seen it done like that before. Not a bad idea. Comes with a CR2450 battery here. And it looks like it is solar, so. And another protective film for the lens itself. Green tint to it. Looks like it goes 8 to 13 for the shade selection, which is adjustable here. So you have a weld setting, a cut setting, a grind setting, sensitivity, delay, a little test button. You can see from the side, I see. That's pretty nice. I've never seen a welding helmet like that. 2.5 Welding Helmet Pro. This is their own welding wire. They sent this to try out in their machine here. 030, solid, 2-pounder. They have their own welding gloves. And it's nice and worked. It's not stiff. I have extra large glove hands and these fit pretty perfect. Maybe with a little bit of room actually. If you got big old meat beaters, they'll fit in here. So this is my new welding corner over here. Picked up a welding table. Screen protector, I'll leave that on for now. See what they have in there for a roller. Of course, there's always 2 grooves on these. I'll be using 030 mostly. And 0.6 is 030. And the other side is 0.8. 030 to 035 wire with that one. Seems like a decent build wire feed here. See, this will take a 10-pounder. No problem. 11-pounder, like Harbor Freight's 11-pounder. It'll fit on there too. Tells you for flux-cored, where the polarity goes. MIG welding polarity. They're referring to this, and this is a pretty hefty wire too. Detected 220 volts. It's on lift TIG. So there you have your selections of what you want to do. It's not touchscreen. That's your welding mode. Manual MIG, Synergic, so it automatically senses. Lift TIG and stick. I like that it gives you a manual mode for your wire speed, your voltage, inductance, 2T and 4T. 2T is squeeze and let off, it starts and stops. 4T, you squeeze it, let off, it keeps going till you hit it again. If you have a spool gun, and then your wire diameter is already set for 030, which is what we're going to be using, which is 0.8. Nice and simple. And then it has inching, so you can feed your wire through that real fast. Woo! She's fast. And you have your gas selection here. So that's CO2, CO2 argon mix, pure argon, and flux wire. And switches in the back, of course. Comes with a little welder setting chart. How to set the polarity, what amperage, speed, voltage. You have 100% duty cycle up to 158 amps and 60% at 205 amps if you're on 220 volts. The highest amperage you can go off 110 volts is 160 amps. On the back you got a nice cooling fan. Also gives you the specs for welding. power switch, your gas. It even gives you a little gas heating meter, 36 volt, and a ground if you want to bind it to your table. And a power cord. Ground. Hook our MIG hose up here. Make sure you have that little O-ring right there. That's your terminal for the trigger. That's your hose liner for your wire. 10 feet. So if you're going to use a little 2-pounders instead of a 10 or 11 pounder, you got to take it off here. This is also the tension adjustment for the spool. I prefer the bigger ones.
That's what she said.
That just has to unroll off the bottom, which means it has to go this way. And then you got to put enough tension so it doesn't bird cage. That should be good. Then you want to make this as straight as possible so when it's feeding it doesn't have a hook and have it try to poke through your liner. Like that. This is 030 wire, Yeswelder brand. Take off the tip and the shield and we have our tip for 030. Let's connect the gas. This did not come with a regulator. I have an Argon 7525 tank here with a regulator. We'll hook her up. We did give you a hose. Tapered end, no thread sealant needed. So I was thinking maybe we'll do a fun little project. I got this new welding table, so I could chop this off. I don't know what kind of pot metal this is. I'll chop it off about right here. I'll weld the bolt on so I can literally have that on the table and I can move it wherever I want. And I want to hold the workpiece down. Then I can do like one of those vice grip deep throat clamps. Safety first. I don't have one that has a thread all the way up, so I guess I'll chop this head off. And I do want to kind of put it on a little bit of an angle like that, so when you tighten it up it levels out. You know what I mean? Maybe I grind a little groove in here. That should work. And grind around that. That should work pretty good. That'll go down like that. Tighten that up. I mean, you're not cranking on that to hold the workpiece anyway, but price these out. See how much them things cost. You'll fall down. Maybe not get back up again. 030 wire. It's definitely not flux. 2T. I want to get it to Synergic. Let's see how she does. I'm gonna have to manually hold it and tack it. It is pot metal steel, so may not work at all. Woo! Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Wow. Pretty good. Holy mackerel. Got some power. Definitely got some power. And I tell you what, feed mechanism on that is very smooth. Almost the most important part of a MIG welder is having a consistent feed on that wire motor. Because if it's not consistent, you'll get a crappy weld every time. Since it's Synergic, it senses as you're welding. But yeah, I don't think that's gonna go anywhere. Let that cool down. Picked up another tool that I want to make for the welding bench. Might be able to use this to hold that one. That should work pretty good. Yeah. Alright, so this one probably have to cut off probably like that. This will be sticking up a little bit. Don't think I'm gonna be able to get that warranty now. Might find some uses for these too. Would have been so nice if I had it threaded all the way down. I could have just welded it right to the top of the bolt. So I'm gonna make my own bolt. Fill that in with weld. I'll do it over here. Then I could put this on there. Maybe I can hold it with that clamp and level it up. Still on Synergic. Turn my gas on. Get my gloves on. This really welds excellent. Very nice. Better let it cool down a bit. These gloves are nice and soft. I mean, I don't like wearing gloves because they feel like they're limiting me, but nice for welding gloves, nice and soft. I'm very impressed with the welder. Look at this one first. Nice job. This welder in that Synergic mode does a really, really good job. I mean, look at that. That is an excellent weld. So yeah, what do I think? I think it did a heck of a job. Very, very good. Priced right too. That helmet works excellent. Nice big screen. See if I can show you what it looks like inside the helmet. Let's turn the heat down a little bit for this one. Woo! Does some pretty good welds. If I was a better welder. Trying to hold this camera in that helmet, a little difficult. So I had to do it one-handed. Still come out pretty good. And I got to use the two clamps I made. Yeswelder Mig205DS Pro is Vin Cheezle approved. It welds like a pro, just like that says right there. I'll have the links, any discounts they give me down below. As usual, thanks for watching. You guys make my channel. You know I'm 100% on anything that I ever review. If something breaks and something goes wrong, you guys will know it.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.